Good day all. So let's take this video as a case study. This is a video I made before. It's a very short video. Let's take it as a case study. For instance, you've put your video and you want to add those funny sounds. One of the things you can do is to know where you want to add it. So if you play the love, I need your love, I need your love, yeah. There's a transition from the girl to a dog girl. I had to switch it to a dog girl. So what do you do? Once the transition switches, it looks funny. So the next thing to do is for you to take your playhead to where you want to add the sound. You go to your audio. After you must have downloaded it into your master, you would have gone to the website of which you want to download the funny sound from. Then you download it into your phone. So you go to your music and select the one you want to use. So I've selected the one I want to use, and it's right here. So once you give it a you can hear the funny sound. After that, you can also add other ones. I decided to add this funny laugh again to it. So if you give it a love, I need your love, I need your love, it's as simple as that. It's very simple. Anywhere you want to put it, just move your playhead to where you want to put it. Even if it's here you want to put it, move your playhead there, go to your music and add that you want. So depends on where you want to put it. Very easy. Anywhere, even if it's another video, anywhere you want to add a funny sound, just take your playhead to the place, click the music and add it. It's usually short. So the same thing with pictures also. Whenever you want to apply a funny picture, you can take your playhead there, then you can come to your media, then apply that picture. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Very, very simple. There's nothing hard about it. Nothing hard. I need your love, I need your love, I need your love, I need your love.